Welcome back. Embarrassed at being pushed back and also a problem they allowed to fester, they were pulled up by the High Court. The Haryana police today attacked the media crew and beat up journalists for exposing their inaction. Times Now has been reporting from the war zone in Hisar for the last 1 week, and today's swoop down seemed more like a cover-up for their delayed action.
12 p.m. in Barwala, Hisar. Sound of bullets, smoke billowing from the Satlok ashram, and a major face-off between cops and the self-styled Godman's private army. Hisar turning into a virtual war zone as they exchanged fire with fire. But within minutes, when the Haryana police realized its hasty botch-up was being exposed, they directed their attack on the media.
Reporters have been beaten up. In fact, our crew has been attacked by the police. It's chaos, confusion.
And Times Now crew first to bear the brunt of the unprecedented assault.
Ashram personnel are being taken in by the police. When our camera was trying to capture that at least 5 to 7 police personnel came and they repeatedly attack us with baton.
Look at how they charged at this reporter for doing his job. His shirt torn and body bruised. This journalist also became a victim of cop brutality in war zone Hisar. His wrist fractured and knee injured. This young reporter too was beaten and thrashed by policemen.
उन्होंने बताया था मैं कि आप यहीं खड़े रहिए. उसके बाद कवर करते करते उन्होंने कहीं से शुरुआत की किसी दूसरे मीडिया वाले को मारने की और उसके बाद हमें हमारे तरफ दौड़ गए. फिर भी हमने अपना कैमरा डाउन किया, बोले हम शूट नहीं कर रहे, हम जा रहे आगे. फिर आगे पकड़ लिया हमने.
They failed to act against a man who has brazenly dared the judiciary and unleashed his private army to protect himself.
It's most undemocratic, it's uncivil, unpardonable and most condemnable.
But by attacking the media, the Haryana police has once again revealed how misplaced its priorities are.
ना हरियाणा पुलिस ना ही हरियाणा सरकार मीडिया को दूर रखने में बिलीव करती है. लेकिन जब पीछे से फायरिंग हो रही है, आश्रम से फायरिंग हो रही है, उस समय मुझे औरों की जान भी बचानी है, मीडिया वालों की जान भी उतनी कीमती है.
And even now, despite using all their might and force, they have failed to track down criminal Godman Rampal. An uncalled for attack on the media and a delayed crackdown has the Haryana police only exposed its frustration and failure in war zone Hisar. With Bhavtosh Singh and Vijay Kao, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.